Hey, this is Omari from sqspthemes.com. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the sidebar plugin on your Squarespace website. So the first step is to upload the included JavaScript and CSS files. And the way to do that is to create a link. So you can go to your not linked section, hit the plus button, hit link, and click the gear icon here, and it'll open up your link editor. Now if you go down to file, you can go ahead and click upload file and upload those files, those two files. All right. You don't need to upload the LES file. So once you've uploaded those two files, you can actually just hit close, and you can hit close again. There's no need to save it. And then the next step is to actually create the page that's gonna have your sidebar content. So I just went ahead and did that here. So this is just a regular page, um, and I've just added some text here. But of course, you can add whatever you want, images, you know, anything. You can add that here. And then the final step is to um, first, if you've named your sidebar page URL something other than sidebar, you're going to want to specify that here. So let's say you called it sidebar 2, or maybe you called it big bar, whatever it is, you'd put that there. But by default it's sidebar. So if you just have one sidebar, you can leave that blank. If you want to do something special, like have multiple sidebars on different blogs, I'll do a second video where I'll show you some of the more advanced things that you can do. But just to keep it simple, we'll just leave it as sidebar. And then over here, you can specify what types of pages, or that you want the sidebar to be on specifically. So for example, let's say you just want the sidebar to show up on the blog posts and not the blog list page. Then you'd select blog item, and then you just hit copy code and navigate to your settings, advanced code injection, scroll down to footer, and you paste that there, hit save. And now I'm going to navigate back to my blog, and I'm not expecting to see the sidebar immediately because I've only specified to show the blog on a specific blog post. So I'm going to have to click the blog post, and then now I can see here's my sidebar on the right. All right, so that's how you set it up. Now let's say you want your sidebar on the left, or let's say you want your sidebar to be sticky. Uh, if we go back to your instruction file here and scroll down, um, here we can customize how the sidebar shows up. So we can reposition it to the left. We can make it sticky so that it sticks to the top of the screen when you scroll. We can change the width. We can change the background color, the space in between the sidebar and the content. There's a lot of features here that we can change. And if you do decide to change anything, all you have to do is simply hit download, and it will create a new CSS file that you'll use instead of the first one that we uploaded. So I'm going to go back and show you, going back to our file here. And so what I would do is I would delete this and then upload the new file that was generated from the instructions. And make sure that it still says plugin dash sidebar without any numbers or anything else, just that. And that's it. So I'll do a second video, where I'll show you how to have multiple sidebars. But for now, this should get you started. All right. If you have any questions, always feel free to email us at support@sqspthemes.com.